Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Geography with Joy. This is Sivalakshmi. Friends, today I am going to tell you something amazing and very interesting facts about Indian Railways which you have never heard before. Let's explore it. I am sure you will enjoy. And here we go. Let's start with India's first train. Do you know which one is the first train in India? It was the Red Hill Railway, which ran from Red Hills to Cinta Bridge in 1837. Sir Arthur Cotton was credited with building the train, which was mainly used for transporting granite. Then, which one is the first railway station in India? It's Boribandar. Located in Mumbai, was the first railway station in India. India's first passenger train ran from Boribandar to Thane in 1853. It was built by the Great Indian Peninsular Railway. This station was rebuilt as Victoria Terminus later in 1888, named after Queen Victoria. Victoria Terminus is presently known as Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, and this is the present look. The first electric train in India. The first electric train in India ran on February 3rd in 1925 between Bombay Victoria Terminal and Kurla Harbour. Later, the electric line was extended to Nasik's Igatpuri district and then to Pune. The fastest train in India. The fastest train at present is the Vande Bharat or Train 18 with an operational speed of up to 180 km per hour, though the fastest service train is Gatiman Express with an operational speed of 160 km per hour and average speed of 113 km per hour on the Delhi-Agra section, since the routes used by Train 18 are capped at 130 km per hour for safety reasons. Picture shown here is the train Vande Bharat or Train 18. And this is the slowest train in India. Nilgiri Express or Mettupalayam OT Nilgiri passenger train is the slowest train in India, running at a speed of 10 km per hour, which is roughly 16 times slower than the fastest train in India. The train covers 46 km in about 5 hours, which is due to the train operating in a hilly area. This toy train was declared as a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2005. Coming to the longest train journey route. Topping the list is the Vivek Express that operates on a weekly basis from Dibrugarh to Kanyakumari. This journey is not just the longest in India, but in the entire subcontinent and 24th in the world in terms of distance and time. The shortest train journey route, with just 3 bogies and covering 13.68 km at a sluggish pace of 30 km per hour, the Kanch 8 shuttle in Bundelkhand, Uttar Pradesh, is the shortest rail service route in the country. It covers the distance in 35 minutes and the fare is just ₹5. And this is the Kanch 8 shuttle in Bundelkhand. The longest station name in India. Can you pronounce? It's Venkata Narasimharaju Vari Petta in Andhra Pradesh and at the Tamil Nadu border. It is the station with the longest name with 29 letters. Locals usually add the prefix Sri before the name, making it longer by 3 letters. Then, what is the shortest station name in India? Eve railway station in Orissa has the distinction of having the shortest name of all the stations in the entire Indian Railways network. The famous station derives its name from the Eve River, which is a tributary of river Mahanadi. Can you tell me the name of India's oldest working locomotive? It's Fairy Queen. The famous Fairy Queen is the world's oldest working locomotive that is still in use. Manufactured way back in 1855, the Fairy Queen was listed in a Guinness World Book of Records as the world's oldest steam locomotive in regular service. The Fairy Queen was interestingly given heritage status in 1972 by the Indian government, giving it the status of a national treasure. Railway museums in India. India is home to 8 railway museums in Delhi, Pune, Kanpur, Mysore, Kolkata, Chennai, Ghum, and Tiruchirappalli. The National Railway Museum in Delhi is the most visited museum in India, with millions of tourists flocking to witness the rich heritage that the museum offers. The Fairy Queen, the world's oldest working locomotive, is one of the main tourist attractions at the museum. This museum is also the largest rail museum in Asia. This picture shows 2 attraction points of National Railway Museum in Delhi. And this is Bholu, the guard elephant, the adorable Indian Railways mascot. Bholu, the guard elephant, is the mascot of the Indian Railways. Bholu was designed by the National Institute of Design in 2002 in honor of the 150th anniversary of the Indian Railways. Bholu is seen holding a signal lamp with a green light in it, which symbolizes movement, assurance to trains and passengers to go ahead without fear. Can you tell me the name of the most expensive luxury train in India? It's Maharaja Express. Look at this train. This is Maharaja Express, the most expensive luxury train in India and is also among the most expensive in Asia. Over a course of 8 days, the Maharaja Express takes its guests over some of the most prominent tourist destinations in India, including the Taj Mahal, the Khajuraho temples, Ranthambore, Fatehpur Sikri, and the Bathing Ghats of Varanasi. Pricing starts at $800 for a deluxe cabin. The most expensive ticket of the presidential suite sets you back a whopping $2,500. This is the largest railway junction in India, the Mathura Junction. It has as many as 7 routes emerging from this station. Mathura Junction also has 10 platforms with connectivity to all major cities of India. This is the longest railway platform in India as well as in the world. The platform at Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh is the world's longest station, measuring a whopping 1,366 meters. The record was previously held by The platform at Kharagpur station in West Bengal at 1072 meter. This is Howrah Junction in Kolkata, the busiest junction in the country, with as many as 974 trains stopping there daily. Kala Bakra. Well, I am not talking about any black goat here. It's a funny name of a railway station in Punjab. There are many more funny and bizarre names of railway stations are there in our country, which no one must have thought of. They are Lelunga, Divine Nagar, Tang, Illu, Gurra, Billi, Londa, Udhania Chacha, Bap, Sali, Saheli, Divana, Suar, Bhesa, Daru, Badami, Nana, Kutta, Amanloch, etc. The list is very long. The longest railway bridge in India. Look at this picture. Have you seen this bridge? It is Vembanad Rail Bridge in Kerala. Vembanad Rail Bridge is a rail connecting Idapalli and Valappadam in Kochi, Kerala. With a total length of 4,620 meters, it is the longest railway bridge in India. The railway line is dedicated solely for freight trains. The Vembanad Rail Bridge is the most beautiful bridge in Kerala. This bridge lets only 15 trains to pass each day. Vembanad Lake is the longest lake in India and the largest lake of Kerala, and is also ranked as one of the largest Indian lakes that is famous as the host of the traditional sports Nehru Trophy snake boat race. The longest rail-cum-road bridge in India. It's Bogibeel Bridge in Assam. It is a combined road and rail bridge over the Brahmaputra River between Dhemaji and Dibrugarh districts in Assam. Bogibeel River Bridge is the longest rail-cum-road bridge in India, measuring 4.94 km. As it is situated in an earthquake-prone area, it is India's first bridge to have fully welded steel concrete support beams that can withstand earthquakes of magnitudes up to 7 on the Richter scale. It is Asia's second longest rail-cum-road bridge and has a serviceable period of around 120 years. Jhajjar Bridge. It is the country's longest steel girder bridge that is built at a height of 85 meters. Look at this bridge. What an engineering work! It is on Udhampur-Katra railway line. The 25-kilometer long train service to Katra from Udhampur is an important section of the railway line connecting Vaishno Devi Shrine and the Kashmir Valley to the rest of the country. This railway line has 7 tunnels, 29 minor and 9 major bridges. The train passes through 3.1 kilometer long tunnel said to be India's longest. Another important broad gauge line, Konkan Railway Line. Broad gauge railway line on the west coastal lowland, known as the Konkan Railway Line, is an engineering marvel of the Indian Railways. It is 760 km long rail route connecting Roha in Maharashtra to Mangalore in Karnataka. It crosses 146 rivers streams, nearly 2,000 bridges and 91 tunnels. It also passes through 6.5 kilometer long tunnel, which is Asia's largest tunnel. The states of Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa are partners in this project. Look at this train. This is Shakuntala Rail. Shakuntala Railways, built during the British Raj, is a 190 kilometer long narrow gauge railway line between Yavatmal and Murtijapur. During the colonial era, trains on this track were run by Great Indian Peninsular Railway, which operated across central India. It is the last piece of colonial railway legacy. Shakuntala Railways still use narrow gauge lines and makes just one return journey every day. At present, the train takes around 20 hours to cover the 190 kilometer distance between Yavatmal and Achalapur in Amaravati district. The train is lifeline to poor people who travel between these two villages in Maharashtra. And this is the modern railway, the metro rail. Do you know which one is the tallest metro station in India? It's Hyderpur Badlimore under Delhi Metro. It is under construction. It will be the tallest metro station with platforms at a height of 23.5 meters, as high as a 7-story building. The station is expected to be completed by mid of 2022. Then, which one is the deepest metro station in India? It's Yellow Line of Delhi Metro again. The 45 kilometer long line will be the deepest station of Delhi Metro, which is 98 feet below the ground level. Yellow Line has the longest metro tunnel in India. And that's all for today. I hope you liked my video and have enjoyed the information given. How did you feel? Please write in the comment box. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my video. Thanks for watching. See you again. Till then, take care and have a good day.